Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in a little wig review. Today's wig review is sponsored by the company ManeGang. Thank you ManeGang for sponsoring the wig for this review. And without further ado, let's go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and watch me talk about my 2 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. Now that you've watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and watch me talk about some specs about the wig. The name of the wig is a Mane Concept Synthetic Red Carpet Slick Tempo 5-inch Deep HD Lace Front Wig in the style RCST706 Cecilia. I have Cecilia in the color SR1B BUG. Cecilia does come with 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Cecilia has a 5-inch deep lace part with baby hairs. It has skin tone adapting lace, natural pre-plucked hairline, adjustable straps and combs, antibacterial and pathogen free cap, comfortable and secure. Cecilia does also have breathable fabric. Cecilia, although Cecilia is big and friendly, she does have the potential to give you headaches if worn for too long. Cecilia does not need to be laid down with any kind of adhesive. Cecilia, however, does have flyaways, and she does have the potential to get very tangly right here. And Cecilia does shed a tiny bit. Out of the packaging, Cecilia look absolutely dry, like really dry. So in order to tame Cecilia, I went ahead in some mousse. This is the one that I used. You could also use the one by Isha. And to give it back some shine, I use the Giovanni Shine of Times High Gloss Hair Mist. Cecilia does have a very realistic part. Can you see? It's very realistic. Where would I wear this wig to? The holidays are coming up, so I would say Cecilia would be a great addition for the holidays, especially this color. I would, definitely be wearing Cecilia for the holidays to take pictures, to get all glammed up, dolled up, to go somewhere, honey, somewhere. I would also say I would give Cecilia overall a 7.5 because of the tangling that goes on back here. Not the tangling. Yeah, the tangling that happens in the nape area. Even if you run your fingers through it, like right now, it's stuck. Yeah. So because of that, I would give Cecilia a 7.5. Let me bring Cecilia to the front so you can see the true length of Cecilia. That one. Yeah, Cecilia is, she got some length on her. As well as her having the potential to give you headaches, she may get a little hot depending on where you live and the temperature, so she just may get hot if it's hot where you are, or if you have to wear a beanie and it's cold and you have to wear a beanie. I would say Cecilia has the potential to be hot. So yeah, so this is Cecilia. Like I said, I'll give her a 7.5 just because of the tangling, the shedding, and the potential headaches. Like, I don't have a full-blown headache, but I feel like one is coming on because she's big and friendly, but yeah, big and friendly. It's medium. Yeah, we'll go with medium. She's medium. So yeah, but overall, Cecilia is a great looking wig. Great, absolutely gorgeous looking wig. You could also, if you don't like a long unit like I do, you could also cut Cecilia about here. Should be perfect. Yeah, so let me know down in the comment section what you thought about Cecilia. Is she a gorgeous unit? Is this something you would rock? Does it look amazing on me or not? Do you like the color? Do you think the color would be great for the Christmas season? Just let me know. Whatever you want to talk about down in the description, go ahead down in the comments, let me know. If you got it in the video, you're the real MVP. If you got it in the video, don't forget to go ahead and leave a like on your way out, a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? It's free. Go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.